In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Excel file to QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left and click on File. Then you want to hover over Utilities, you want to hover over Import, and here you want to click on Excel Files. Now, when you do this, just hit the Yes button over here, and then it's going to open up a separate tab in here where you basically have to select the list you want to import. So, you have customers, vendors, service items, etc. Okay? I'm just going to go with customers right now, and I'm going to leave it as this default view over here. And then what you have to do, as it says up top, you have to select the list, then you want to customize columns to display, and then you want to paste from Excel or type to add to or modify your list. So I'm going to scroll to the very bottom of this list over here, and then at the bottom there's an empty line, as you can see. So there's an empty row. This is where you basically have to paste from Excel. So you want to open up Excel. I have Excel open in the web version over here, and then as you can see, you have to kind of customize these however it says in here. So it's name, company name, Mr., Mrs., first name, etc. You kind of have to do those like that as well. So if I show you over here, so if I put it like that, you'll see that these things pretty much are as they are. I just typed something random in here just to show you, and then all you would have to do here is just go and copy. So just highlight these, right click and copy, or of course you can use Control C as well. Then go in here, and then you simply want to click at the bottom and then right click and paste, or you could just go ahead and basically Control V and it's going to paste it in here. Okay, so that's essentially how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.